Have you ever explained the same thing to Claude over and over again? Use this format. Don't write in bullet points. Match our company voice. Every new chat, you reteach the same lesson. What if you could teach Claude something once and have it remember forever? That's exactly what skills are. In the next 7 minutes, I want to explain them simply, what they are, how Claude uses them, and how you build your own in an afternoon. These are the 5 things you need to know about Claude skills to teach AI your team's playbook and stop re-explaining yourself every single chat. Let's go. Number 1, what a skill actually is. A skill is the simplest thing in Claude. It is a folder with instructions in it. That's it. Inside that folder is a file called skill.md, a markdown file that tells Claude exactly how to do one specific job. Maybe it is review a pull request using our team standard. Maybe it is write internal docs in our company's voice. Maybe it is convert raw user interviews into a structured product spec. Every time you ask Claude to do that job, Claude reads the instruction in the folder and follows them. You write the playbook once, Claude executes it forever. Think of it like onboarding a new employee, except the employee never forgets. Number 2, what is inside one? 3 things. First, the skill.md file. Your instruction in plain English, no code, no special syntax, just write what you want Claude to do in the order you want it done. Second, any reference files Claude might need. Example, outputs, your company style guide, a list of approved phrases. Claude pulls them in as needed. Third, optional. Any scripts if your skill needs to actually run something. A Python script that processes a file, a tool that calls an API. You don't have to use all 3. Most useful skills are just a folder with one good skill.md in it. That's the entire architecture. Number 3, and this is the magic part, you don't have to tell Claude, hey, use that skill now. Claude figures it out. Each skill has a description at the top of the skill.md, explaining when to use it. Something like, use the skill when the user wants to review a pull request. Claude reads all the descriptions at the start of every conversation. And when something comes up that matches, Claude loads that specific skill and follows the instruction. You just chat normally. Claude picks the right skill at the right moment. It is the closest thing to real assistant behavior that AI has gotten to. Most people completely miss this. Number 4, where to find skills you don't have to build yourself. You don't need to build a skill from scratch to start using them. Inside Claude, in Cowork and in Code, there is a directory of skills people have already built. Skills for writing code in specific styles, skills for brand voice writing, skills for processing specific file types. You browse, you click install, suddenly Claude can do that thing. It is the closest thing to an app store that's ever existed for AI. Best for anyone who wants the benefit without doing the work. Install 5 good ones today and Claude becomes measurably better at things it couldn't do yesterday. The directory is free to browse. Number 5, and this is the part most people don't realize they can do. Building a skill takes about an afternoon. You create a folder, you write skill.md in plain English, you drop in any reference file, that's it. Real example, I built a skill called Meeting Summarizer in our Teams format. The skill.md says, when the user pastes meeting notes, produce a summary with 5 sections. Attendees, decisions made, action items, blockers, follow-ups. 12 lines of instruction. It took me 15 minutes. Now, every time anyone on my team pastes meeting notes into Claude, they get our format automatically. Encode your team standards once. Every person who uses Claude inherits them. That's how teams actually get ahead. If this resonated with you, check out this video next.